Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Parlor account. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the Parlor application, type in your email address and your password, and then tap on the sign in button or use your Google or Twitter account to log in. Now, once you have logged into your account and you are taken into the home page, simply tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner. This will then take you into the menu page. Now, right at the menu page, if you scroll all the way down, you will find the delete account button. Go ahead and tap on it, and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to delete your Parlor account. Go ahead and tap on the yes button, and this will proceed with deleting your account for you. You might be asked for verification within your email to proceed with deleting your account. So go ahead and check your inbox and click on the link given within, and your Parlor account will be deleted. And there you have it. That is how easy it is. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.